Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. It's Tom over at Gus. Today we got something a bit different in the workshop. We've got a crash damaged Volkswagen Scirocco in. Vehicle's been in a collision with another vehicle. Gone through the insurance and they've written the vehicle off. Customers had the chance to buy back the vehicle, which they've done, and then they've bought it for us to be repaired. So it needs a wing for definite. All down the side of the door there. Bonnet's damaged. Could be repaired, that bonnet. Not too major. Headlamp's obviously missing. Inner wheel arch, that's gone. But we've still got the multi-plugs there. Yeah, they're not damaged. Fog lamp itself's not damaged, just a surround missing. We'll pop the bonnet. So into the bonnet, obviously the headlamp's missing. Slight damage, we can bend that back easy enough. Should be a wing support piece, which obviously bolted down there into the wing, which the customer sourced a second-hand one. Got a new headlamp, second-hand bumper, and I think we've got a new wing and a new bonnet. Wing itself's just held on, a few bolts, and then there'll be some fixings down the side. So the customer's dropped off some parts. Let's have a look what they brought in. So we've got a new bonnet to go on. I believe that's a second-hand front bumper. Got the inner wheel arch. New headlamp, some bits of grille, the support piece for the front bumper, so the bumper will clip into there. New daytime running lamp. This is a support piece for the wing to bolt onto. And yeah, just a wing. So update on the Scirocco. Didn't manage to get too much done today. We got the wing on, that didn't take long. New bonnets on. Headlamps all in. It's just missing the wing support bracket. The one that the customer supplied was the wrong one. But we got our bumper mount all on. So I've ordered that bracket from TPS. That'll be here tomorrow. Genuine bracket there. And then we can get on with just fitting the front bumper. Also waiting on the grille. Spoke to the customer. That should be here hopefully tomorrow. So not a lot we can do with that. Here's a new bumper, aftermarket. Got the top grille on. We just can't finish off like the little bits on the bumper and the lights until we get the main grille in there. Inner wheel arch lining to go on. And then what we'll do is we'll have a little play around, set our gaps up, and then it'll be ready for paint. We're not doing the paint. Customer's taking that to be done. So little things like the badge I'll leave off until it's painted, and the customer can put them on at a later date. But that's as far as we can go. So once the other bits turn up, I'll just wrap the video up, set the headlamp up while it's on the ground. That will need setting up. The headlamp aims, and then that one is done. So we're about as far as we can go at the minute. Still waiting for the grille. The vehicle is being painted this week, I believe, so the bloke did actually come in on Friday. He just said, obviously, if you can, leave the grille out and the inner wheel arch. Just be easier for them to paint. A bit more work for us. It just means we'll have to get it in afterwards, just finish it off, but if we can help them out, we'll do that. Once we got it back, we'll set all the gaps up as well on the bonnet, the bumper. But yeah, not too bad of a job really. No damage to suspension components, the chassis. So it's just new wing, new bonnet, bumper, near side headlamp, and then the grille when it arrives. And that's about it really for this video. Not sure how long it's going to be in paint for, so we'll wrap it up now. And yeah, not too bad of a job really. The wing was just nice and easy, bolt off, bolt new wing on. Bonnet, just 4 bolts. And then the bumper itself, inner wheel arch to come out, and the trays, and some screws in there, and then that was off. So yeah, look forward to seeing it when it's all painted, and we'll get that one back. Customer can get it back on the road. Hope you found this short video useful. Don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one.